Bitcoin versus the stock market, are they truly unrelated, or how related are they? So that's the question I'm going to answer in today's video. And right now I have Bitcoin price chart open here on Yahoo Finance, and right now you can see on the live charts it's trading at 61,141. So it opened at 68.10. Day range, it fluctuated from 60,675 right up to 61,288, and that's what it's at the moment. But on the 52-week trading range, Bitcoin has hit lows of 24,797, and it's hit its peak this year, the highest it's ever been at, when it reached $73,750 a share. So, sorry, I beg your pardon, per coin. I'm so used to talking about the stock market. So Bitcoin has a market capitalization of 1.205 T, which is trillion, and there's 19.70 million Bitcoins in circulation at the moment. So Bitcoin, the volume traded over the last 24 hours is 12.94 billion. So there is wild fluctuations in Bitcoin, and one of the main reasons is because Bitcoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies, they're traded right around the clock. The market for crypto doesn't close, so people are getting in on the act 24/7. So that's why there is such wild fluctuations in it. Now, so I have an article here now that discusses how related each one is to the other. Bitcoin versus stocks. So Bitcoin is known for its extreme volatility, with significant price swings like a roller coaster ride. Definitely true. Plunging over 64% in 2022 and then rallying 160% in 2023. That is very extreme volatility. Oh, on the other hand, the S&P 500, which is a basket of the top 500 US stocks, which you can buy together, offers more stable performance, averaging 9 to 10% annual returns, serving as a benchmark for the US economy. So yeah, that performs well when the US economy is doing well as also. So despite lower returns compared to Bitcoin, the S&P's consistency and reliability make it a favorite choice for risk-averse investors seeking predictable investment outcomes. And with the wild swings in Bitcoin, it's highly unpredictable. So the Bitcoin negatively correlated with the DXY index and gold, while its correlation with the S&P was only 0.11. So that would suggest that Bitcoin there's very if little correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market. This suggests that Bitcoin price movements are largely independent of traditional markets, and that definitely is the case. Like traditional markets, a lot of stocks, say earning reports, say the technology stocks, they all follow each other. They'll go up or down. Not always the case to a certain extent, but Bitcoin is very unrelated to them. Like I bought Bitcoin a while back and it had hit my stop loss the following day. So they're the kind of wild swings there is in Bitcoin compared to stocks. But in saying that, stocks on earnings report can drop significantly and rise significantly. There's a lot of volatility during earnings report, but from this article here, it suggests that Bitcoin versus the stock market, there is very, very little correlation between the two.